Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating simple causes. Check the silent switch and raise the ringer above 50% so you can hear tests. Once done, disconnect any Bluetooth-paired devices and toggle airplane mode to reset wireless audio routes. Make sure to restart the iPhone to clear temporary audio glitches, then play a ringtone or record a voice memo to confirm whether the speaker is producing sound and whether the issue persists. You now dig into software. Open settings and inspect sounds and haptics, notification tones, and any volume limit or attention-aware features that lower audio. If sound still fails, update iOS. Updates often include audio fixes. Back up, then reset network settings or reset all settings if necessary. This preserves data but clears configs. Also inspect installed apps and audio filters. Disable equalizer settings, uninstall suspicious apps, and test sound after each change to isolate the cause. If software steps fail, look for physical blockage. Inspect and gently clean speaker grills with a soft brush and low-pressure air. Avoid liquids. Plug in headphones or a Lightning/USB-C adapter to confirm whether audio routes correctly. If headphones work but the speaker does not, it's likely hardware. For final resolution, back up your device, then contact Apple support or an authorized repair shop. Make sure to check warranty or Apple Care coverage. If repairs aren't immediate, use headphones as a temporary workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.